mine. But this is the view that you would have had waking up way back 100 years ago at least, and then some. Cute little gate at the front there, so I'm going in. Here we go. We've got the friendly mop here, ready to go. And look at this, Heart 72. And in we go. Lovely little glass door handle. Used to have one of these on my house, actually, back in New Zealand. The door. In we go. I think we're in. We're in. And apparently there's big spiders here, so we'll see if we can. Oh my gosh, it's a string.
That's good.
Here we go. Wow.
It's actually warm in here.
It is warm because the stone is keeping us. There we go.
Like the last cottage, and it's freezing.
The last one was freezing. This one's warm. Lovely modern amenities. And these beautiful cottage windows as well, with these old school netting. And we've got, of course, our very old 1850 microwave and cooker, or hob I should say, and around to this very nice feature wall. And here's the instructions. Here's the instructions. Water is scarce. Yes, indeed. And plenty. And this is the indication of spiders. Spiders and creatures. Now, where have you been? Where have you ever been to an Airbnb or a cottage where it has this much laid on? This is the sign. This is your defenses. This is your military. Now, that tells us that this place is going to get hammered by spiders and insects. I've never seen a triple defense unit like that before. Have you, Liam?
There's probably one there.
Probably one there. What have you spotted?
Spider webs.
So I saw a picture on the Google and it had a massive one about this big on the wall. So we'll see if we're lucky. It's usually disappointing if it's in your bed. That's usually the disappointing. Look at this. We're in the historic. They could have been one of there too, hung in here, but we got away with it. Amazing old school fireplace. And we're in fire season now, so they don't want us doing fires from memory because of the embers. And there's the sign there, fire restrictions in place. And where's the toilet? It's a good question. Look at this. This is so cute. This is so cute. Look at this. This is the 72 door. Let's see if it opens. 70. No, we don't have the key. That would have been the cutest little door to get it through. Then we're into a bedroom from 1860. I'm going to open the place up, and there's that view again. Oh, wow. And then through, we've got the hook hanging here. And I keep thinking the place is haunted because Liam keeps walking out into the other room and talking. So you keep hearing this voice going into every room, and then you're going, okay, wasn't he in the other room? Wasn't he in that? And then another view there, look at that, fantastic. And we've gone back around in a circle, so that's a circle house. There's our salt damp again, our rising salt damage on this place. We're going to go find the toilet. So it's a semi outdoor toilet. We need the key.
Need the key to open the toilet.
Yes, but we'll leave it open. Oh, look at this. It's a semi outside toilet. So we got scammed. I didn't book it. I didn't book the other one up the hill. There's a beautiful one up the hill. And it was quite awesome looking, and I thought, no, I won't book it because it's got an outside toilet, and we've had an outside toilet before, and it's a bit of a saga. The last one, you know, I got up and there was 20 like kangaroos, and it was like 5 in the morning. And this one, I thought, no more outside toilets, had enough. You know, worried about axe murderers. And then we get this one, no outside toilet. It officially does have an outside toilet, but it's just connected. What's that? No, we're not planning on going in. He said, don't come in there. But there we have it. So that's our little intro to this beautiful cottage from way back when. And then there's another one next door, and there'll be some guests there, I'm sure. And of course you see all the stone, so common in South Australia. This light coloured driveways and pathways, really cool. One of my favourite features of South Australia. Another beautiful home down here. This one's not used as far as I can tell, but another one down here, the Marley Lodge, and then the road we took to get in here. And then I'll show you around the whole place, and there's some salt lakes, and there's the old workers' cottages and workshops down this way as well.